Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 9 July 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are new phase and a blip. We'll discuss the first topic of our editorial page in our today's video. So before entering into our topic, let's just have a small look on the second topic that was given. A blip means an error. Okay. This year's restrictions by state have inflicted less economic costs than the 2020 lockdown. Means this year the restrictions that were taken towards the COVID-19 pandemic, either lockdown or it caused less economic cost than what has we taken the restrictions that were held in 2020 lockdown. Okay. And entering its fifth year, India's goods and service tax system reported a blip in revenue collections for June, breaking an 8-month streak of over 1 lakh crore in tax receipts. Okay, so coming to the fifth year, then the GST has came an errored revenue that in the month of June they break the 8-month streak, which is 1 lakh crore in the taxes all over the tax receipts. It is nearly 1 lakh crore. Okay, well, let's enter into our topic today's. New phase. Cabinet shuffle aims to improve governance while keeping in mind political considerations. Okay, means cabinet members have to improve their governance while keeping their political considerations, not mindly, means not blindly. We have to think and we have to improve ourselves, and we have to then use what we are going to do, or then we have to think more what we are doing. Okay. The reconstitution of the Union Council of Ministers on Wednesday was guided by both political and administrative considerations. Okay, means the reconstitution of this Union Council of all the ministers on this Wednesday. This, it means the day before yesterday. On this Wednesday, they have guided the both political leadership, means political consideration, and administrative considerations. Okay, what did they guide? Let's know now. As many as 36 new faces were inducted and 12 dropped from the council, which now has 78 members, just 3 shy of the upper limit of 81. See here the meaning of the word inducted. It means formally introduce a new member or include. Okay, formally introduce a new member or include someone. Well, means now as we have 36 new faces that were now included, and in that 12 has dropped from the council, and where we have now 78 members. In that we have 3 people which are upper limit of 81. Okay, so in 2014 the Bharatiya Janata Party began its rule advertising its 45 member council of ministers as an attempt at minimum government, but the restraint was quietly abandoned in the following years. See, means in the year of 2014 the BJP they have began a rule of advertising the 45 membership, means council of ministers, and they have attempted at least a minimum government facilities, but they have not, they did not satisfy, or they did not give the following years, only for the year of 2014. Okay. The political aspirations of communities and regions are difficult to satiate in a country as vast as diverse as India. Okay. See, here the meaning of the word aspirations and satiate. See, aspirations, it means desire, hope or longing. Okay, desire, hope or longing. Satiate, fill, indulge, fully satisfy. Satisfy. Satiate means fill, indulge or fully satisfy, to satisfy something. Okay. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made an attempt to make his council more diverse and representative in a manner that fits his political priorities. The new composition of the council is in step with the BJP's relentless efforts to rope in OBC groups, Dalits and tribes people under its Hindutva umbrella politics. This accommodation is crucial for the BJP to continue its dominance in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and other states. Hindi-speaking regions where caste tensions are simmering. New inductions and elevations also signal a continued effort by the BJP to expand its influence in the new areas such as West Bengal and northeastern states. Bearing the continuing under representation of Muslims, the council is impressively representative of the Indian diversity. Well, so let's have a look on the meanings in this para. Priorities. What are priorities? Preference, prime concern. Okay, means we always used to say that I only choose my priority, right? Means we choose our preferences, what we need, where we be happy or whatever. Okay, priorities means preference or prime concern. Simmering, boil gently, stew or burn. Boil gently, stew or burn. Bearing, omitting, apart from, excluding. Bearing means omitting, apart from or excluding. Okay. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi, right? Our Prime Minister present India's. So he has made a council for the diversity and for the representativeness and for the fit of the political parties and for their priorities. So he had made a new constitution and the council in the step with the BJP and with the OBC groups like Dalits and tribal people under the Hindutva umbrella politics. And this is crucial for this accommodation is crucial for the BJP to continue their dominance in such states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and other where Hindi speaking language will be, means Hindi speaking regions, okay, to show their dominance in those places, such places. And even their tensions according to the caste were more, okay, were burning and they were very like angerness. And also they have brought new elevations of the signals that were in the BJP party, and they brought those in such areas like where West Bengal and northeastern states. Okay. Governance issues might have been a factor in the axing of some of the ministers. Harshvardhan, Ravishankar Prasad, and Prakash Javadekar were among those who got the marching orders. Apparently, for mishandling the pandemic, relations with global IT giants, and governmental communication, respectively. New inductees such as Ashwini Vaishnav and Jyotiraditya Scindia have administrative skills that could prove valuable in crucial ministries that they now head. Individual talent and accountability both can only be contextual, and in a highly centralized system, they become immaterial. The ministers must be empowered to plan and take decisions in their respective areas. The notion of collective responsibility of the cabinet must be infused with meaning. Discussions in the cabinet must be open. Proposals that come from the cabinet's consideration must go through rigorous technical vetting and wide political consultations. Well, let's have the look of meanings in this para. Axing. Axing means cancel, withdraw or drop. Cancel, withdraw or drop. Empowered. Entitle, allow or authorize. Entitle, auto or authorize. Notion. Idea, belief or concept. Idea, belief or concept. Infuse, it means fill, pervade, permeate. Infuse means fill, pervade or permeate. Rigorous, meticulous, harsh, brutal. Rigorous means meticulous, harsh or brutal. Okay. The recomposition was intended to enhance governance, rev up the economy and fuel the BJP's political march ahead of crucial state elections and the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. All these would be possible only if all hands are on the deck. Assembling a team is indeed a crucial task of a captain. Allowing them to flourish as individuals while playing as a team is equally critical. Well, this is our today's topic. Thank you.